My baby's parking. Ano yan la? Bibidyo natin yun. Oh, bibidyo natin. Yung bag ko walang lamang pera yan, pero may napkin. It's, sasabihin kasi nila yung mga vlogger. Sinasabi nila yung time. So, it's 6 p.m.
It's 6 p.m. Monday.
Monday.
And we are going to have
Dinner. No, lunch. Bakit pala?
our early dinner, late lunch here at
And
Dubai
early breakfast.
International City.
Wow!
Chinese cluster.
Oh my God! Makikita nila yung takbo ko. Parang umikot lang tayo, love. Saan? Parang andun yung parking kanina. Oo nga. This is one is fish with you. Fish with you. Fish be with you. Fish be with you, love. So guys, we are lost. We are lost, baby. We are lost. Ha? Bakit naging by car na yan?
Inano ko sa Google Maps.
We will update you guys later.
Here.
Here.
I think there's a way here.
Kami yung mga vlogger na introvert. Tsaka next year pa to i-upload. Okay guys, we're here in Najam. Oh, sa mga cafeteria. Cafeteria pala, love eh. Actually, bibiliin niya ni Love. Yun yung surprise niya sa akin. Okay, guys, we'll go inside.
Order. Spice, medium spicy. Yung isa hindi spicy. Anong bestseller niyo dito, ate?
Yung beef noodle. Okay lang.
Ano, ito? Beef noodles.
But we ordered already.
This is the bean curd, maybe.
Ay, ito yung bean curd.
This is the wing.
Oo.
Scary wings. So scary.
Kami yung vlogger na introvert. Di ba ginagawa nila yan?
Gusto ko yung fried pan. Kakagaling ng Kudra.
Ang sabi mo lang? Ito na yung bad review.
The Mondragon review.
Mahirap kumain kasi ang dami niyang napapansin. Yung interior, yung ganito. Pero ang pinunta namin, pagkain. Pero ang sine-check niya yung mga interior. Joke lang. Now we're going to
Dragon Mart.
anong Mondragon?
Mondragon
Mondragon
Mart.
Mart.
The Mondragon Mart. Where is the baby dragon? There is the baby dragon. Here. The Mondragon.
Now we will go to Dragon Mart.
So, we'll go to the Mondragon Mart.
Mart. Kala nyo gaganyan-ganyan. Bully yan.
You did not tell me you have a
Kala nyo introvert.
You did not tell me you have a Dragon Mart.
Diba? Nakarami na siya. Aray ko, hindi ko ma-open lang. Lagay mo na nga ito sa likod.
Ano na?
Papasok na yung...
The Mondragon. The founder of the Mondragon Mart.
Tama na, wala nang bibit. Magbabay ka na. Later we will go to...
Mondragon Mart.
Ganito ba, love? Yung kuha or ganito? Now we're going to Mondragon Mart. Sige, tatanggapin ko na yan.
Founder and CEO.
Ngayon lang yan, love, ah. Love, ngayon mo lang ako bubuli, ah.
Founder and CEO, my wife, of the Mondragon Mart.
Sabi nga ni Lord, ang nakakababa ay siyang itataas.
I don't know why it started, but Dragon Mart is a place where everything is
Fall into places.
present. Like from
Ganito na,
A
love. Hindi
to
pa
Z.
nila kasi love, ikaw, 10 years, 11 years ka na dito sa Dubai.
Yes.
Wala tayong mga mic.
Bili tayo.
Bibili tayo ng mic dahil nga syempre, kala ko talaga si seryosoin. Pero next year pa to i-upload. Iibunin muna namin. Next year pang upload.
Magbabayad pa kami ng
Editor.
edit.
My wife parked there. Dito na kami sa Dragon Mart. This is the parking area. Ang bastos lang.
Doon tayo sa dudog.
Love ka rin. Ha? Asan yung kamay mo lang? Ha? Asan yung kamay?
Dahil may taga-bitbit na po. Nakaka-video na po. Ito po pala sa Dragon Mart, guys.
Sa Dragon Mart, may bayad ang car.
Guys, kapag nandito kayo, magbabaon ngayon. Yan ang
Hahanapin.
Yes, love. So mga guys, pag mamimili kayo sa Dragon Mart, ito ang tip. Padala kayo ng cart.
Para ka ng lasing, love.
Kaya mo nabili, love.
Hmm? Thanks, loves! Let's suggestion is to bring cart because here we're paying.
Alam mo, 9.56 pa lang pala, love. No?
9:56 pa lang pero nakakapagod na. Grabe yung nilakad, love.
We are going
Ayan,
home.
thank you for watching. Wow. Akala mo may nanonood. Hi lang. Pasok ka sa bahay. This is our new home.
Whoa!